man, that is too much ink. Too much ink. Let's tone down on that ink. Something between a 7 and a 12. Let's make it a 10, maybe. No. No! Number 7, maybe. Alright, 7 is the answer. Alright, now let's work on the dark side. Dark side of the cloak. Black Hat Dapper Pastor! Hello there! Allow me to give you a shout out. Shout out at Black Cat Dapper Pastor. Black Cat Dapper Pastor reads through the Bible. He's reading through the Bible in a year. So go ahead and check him out. I learn something every day. Every day that I listen to Flat Cap, I'm learning something every day. Except for today, because he did not stream today. Payload catching. Catching your stream while I pedal. Okay. In case I delay in response. Thank you for catching. Thank you for the payload catching. You are absolutely welcome. I catch as many of your streams as I possibly can. Oh, did I tell you about God's Gamers, by the way? I think I have. I think I may have. But I just want to make sure. It's not G-O-D-S Gamers, it's G0. Hold on. It's not going to work automatically because it's not in chat. And today, it is Wednesday, so they are on, I think they're on like 9:30 on Wednesdays, 9:30 Eastern. He is a seminary student. I don't know which school he's in, what the name of the school is that he's in. But everything that he says is stuff that I agree with. I can't remember what he was talking about last week. The first week that I met him, he was talking about the priesthood. But my memory is failing me. Send him a DM. Send me a DM with the info. Yes, I can. I'll do better than that. I'll send you a whisper. Streams on Wednesdays, approximately 9-ish Eastern. There you go. Alright, so this is the last. I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish this today. I will be finishing the inking today, and I won't know what to do with myself. It's going to be a new chapter, literally. I see what I did there. I did not mean to make a pun. Pun not intended. It'll be the coloring chapter instead of the inking chapter. Same chapter of the book, but different journey. It's confusing when the folds go at a diagonal. Why do I draw folds at a diagonal? Why don't I just make them straight up and down? That'll be more realistic, wouldn't it? The answer is not. It would not be more realistic. What if I make this line a bit bigger line? Ooh, I like that. I like that. Now,